Big Bird, stay off. Hey, I'm just sitting here taking a whiz. And there's, oh my god, there's the bear! No! Oh my god, the bear! Oh, he tastes like shit. It's bear. Ow, ow, ow. Oh, you sure? Oh, what was that? Whoa. Holy crap. I just got like... boing. Big Bird, you're fired. What? I don't want to. My laugh's great. Really? Shut up! Jesus Christ! You heard the bird's a word. The bird's a word! What?
No, Big Bird. No.
The bird's a word. The bird's a word. The bird's a word. A bird and a bird and a bird's the word. A bird's the word. Bird's the word. Bird's the word. Like this.
You missed, stupid.
No, Big Bird, don't throw that!
Spare some change?
Don't say the person that's got laid off. I'm gonna take this. I hate my life. Did you know the bird's a word?
No, I didn't. Oh.
Dude, you have a freaking needle in your eye. No. You're a stupid cameraman. You suck. Is he okay? Would you like a pickle, my friend? Never mind. You'll have to be hunged. Any last words? No! No, I'm not gonna... Oh, curses you, Big Bird. Curse you, Big Bird. I will kill you. I had a bowel movement in my pants. Curse you, Big Bird. Oh, curse you.